Alright guys, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best way on how you can download and install Exness app on both Android and iOS devices, so make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. It's very easy and simple on how you can download. Just simply go ahead and open up App Store or Play Store on your Android device and just simply go to search bar and type in Exness. Once you type it in, it will bring up this, and just press on the app and just press on get. It will do something like this, and it will just ask for your face ID. Just do this, and here you go, it's downloading right now, and once it's downloaded it will automatically install. So same for the Android devices, it's just like that. You can just simply download it, and here as you can see it's downloading right now and it's showing for me. Now there's one problem: if it's not available in your app store or your Android devices, what you can do is just simply go ahead and just type in Exness download, and right over here you'll see the option of Exness download on your phone. Just go ahead and open that up, and you can just download it directly from the website on your phone. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope this really actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next